Hello guys, as we see, I see the comments and sorry for the late reply. I see like you guys are struggling to fix the LED at the place without a proper locks. But the only thing you guys need to do, you can use adapter as well. But what I done it is, I just took off the part, and every LED have a different parts of this thing. So you can just remove it out and you can put an opposite side back. So in this way, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a more space between these two things. So when you're gonna put inside the headlamp, the LED, when you're gonna put it, this lock gonna be connect with a bigger point. As you say, this is a wider ones comparing to you put a normal bulb. They're a small one, and you don't need an adapter according to me because I used the LED from last like 2 3 months, and I don't use any adapter anything. I just put it inside, reach the lock, check where about the lights come out from the headlamp nicely. You can just park your car front of the wall, and you can just put this inside, LED put inside the headlamp, and you can turn it and check whereabouts the LED give a proper light out. So wherever you feel it's good, you can just set it back these ones before you put this part to the lock in a single lock, and you just twist it hardly, and this will can lock the whole LED portion there, and it's going to make some space as well for the heat, not going to be like too much heat in it, and the fan working at the back as well. Same way, you don't need to put any adapter according to me. So that's all. If any problem, just ask me, and I just try to be reply as soon as possible. And yeah guys, stay safe, stay home.